Hey everyone, this is Maria from the Sewing Room channel. I was recently at Joann's and I was looking at their costume fabrics, and I thought it would be fun to take you all shopping with me down that aisle. I know Halloween might look a little different this year. Not sure if trick-or-treating will happen in all neighborhoods, but hey, I thought it would still be fun to look at the costume fabrics. I think it'll still be a good idea to get dressed up and maybe do, a Halloween celebration at home, get dressed up, watch movies, eat candies and pizzas, and still, have fun this Halloween. They had a lot of these like shiny metallic-y looking fabrics. Great if you're gonna do maybe like a princess costume or a mermaid. Some of them looked like mermaid scales or even maybe like dragon or fish scales. But yeah, that one's definitely perfect if you're doing a mermaid costume. Same with this one as well. Loved how the colors changed on that. Thought that'd be good for maybe like a princess costume or Barbie costume. Here's some more sequin fabric. I saw quite a bit of these down this aisle. Thought that was a good choice for maybe like a witch costume or some type of cape maybe. This is that type of fabric where the sequins change depending on the direction you have it. I think another great option maybe for a witch costume or Dracula costume, vampire. That kind of made me think of Alice in Wonderland, Tweedledee Tweedledum maybe, or the Queen of Hearts or something. That might be good for like a superhero costume of some type. Another fun sequin fabric. Here's one with stars. That's good if like maybe you want to do like a magician costume. Pink again. Made me think of princess or Barbie. Love the green and blues on that one. So pretty. More fish scale looking fabrics. Some of these are really whimsical looking. Again, a lot of sparkles, glitter, sequins. Which really this fabric aisle is here year round, so it's not just for Halloween. So if you have other costumes that you're making, anyone that's into cosplay or just dress up in general for kids. I know kids like to dress up in costumes just when they're playing, or if you're into dance, a lot of dance costume ideas you can get to. Here's some that's specifically Halloween. It's got skulls and skeletons on it. Love this stars and moon sequin fabric. This one was like a sheer chiffon type fabric that had little eyes on it, like cat eyes. Really pretty gold stars with white sequins. If you're doing some type of maybe pirate costume or Americana type of costume. Again, this one's specifically Halloween. It's got little black pumpkins on it and black stars. Another sequin color changing fabric. Those are just So fun. I know that some people will use that same fabric to make accent pillows as well. Some unicorn fabric, which was sheer. Love the rainbow colors on that one. This made me think of sprinkles almost, like a seafoam green. I tend to love all the sparkles and glitter and sequin fabrics. Here's another one that I believe is color changing. Purple on one side, turquoise on the other. Really pretty rose gold option. Again, same effect. It's got that color changing, depending on the direction you have it going. More sequins. That might be fun, that silver sequin for like maybe a 70s costume, disco costume. That soft pink with the sequins. Again, that was a sheer fabric, really pretty, great for princess costume. That blue is great. It's perfect for a Cinderella costume. Multicolored rainbow. Again, lots of different sequin options. Well, that is the end of this shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you would like to see more shopping videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!